Hi, my name is Abel. I'm a staff engineer at Dewberry, and today we're going to talk about the jack and bore utility installation method. So the jack and bore method is a trenchless utility installation method in which a boring machine jacks a casing pipe into the earth while an auger simultaneously excavates the earth. So this method is utilized in applications where a utility line needs to be installed across a roadway, but the roadway needs to remain operational. Since the roadway can't be shut down, traditional open cut installation is off the table, and trenchless techniques like the jack and bore method are required. The components of this method are the launch pit and the receiving pit, with the launch pit being the larger of the two, a boring machine, a casing pipe, and an auger screw. The first step in the process involves the contractor excavating the launch pit and the receiving pit. Once the two pits are excavated, the boring machine is lowered into the launch pit, and the casing pipe and auger are attached. The boring machine pushes the casing pipe into the earth, while the auger screw simultaneously excavates and extracts the soil. Once the casing pipe is almost all the way into the earth, the auger is retracted and the boring machine pushed back. Another piece of auger is attached, and a new stick of casing pipe is welded to the end of the first stick. This process is repeated, with the auger screw continuing to excavate until the casing pipe reaches the receiving pit on the other side of the roadway. Then all of the machinery is removed, leaving only the casing pipe ready for installation of your new utility.